A fully modified 320d or a stock 328i? Which one is faster? Let's find out. Saw how low his car was, right? You can't even put your finger in it. He told me that he's on a track setup right now because he just came back from Sepang, from the track. Being that low on that ride height, a lot of normal people would say you're making your life miserable, but you should have seen the smile on his face. That's the thing about car guys. We don't give a shit about discomfort or any of that. We just love the car and we would buy the discomfort and anything. We would do it to ourselves and it makes us really happy. Oh my God, it's raining. How are we gonna? Oh my God, it's raining!
Yes!
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 If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. If you don't know, you should watch more of my vlog. We have a 2015 320d, which is far from stock. This car has gone through a lot of modifications, and we have my stock 2012 328i. We have the N20 engine. Out of the box in its stock form makes around 250 horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque. My car is completely stock. If you watch my channel, I've only done charge pipe, boost pipe, and an exhaust. I haven't even done my downpipes, so it's in stock power. And then we have a 320d here. This car comes with the N47 engine, which is the same engine I had in my 520d. If you are an OG, you would know that I used to have a 520d. So this is the same engine, but this car has a downpipe and a tune. This car has a downpipe. It has a stage tune by ProjectA. We have a GT Momentum air intake, this car, which is quite rare. We have charge pipe and boost pipe set by FTP. We have an intercooler. We have an H&R front and back roll bar. We have front Strut-Bar by Super Circuit. You can see that the ride height on this thing is not very stock. Fully adjustable Beilstein B16s, running a Brembo 18Z big brake kit, 6 pistons in the front and 4 pistons at the back. No compromise in braking. And we have a fully straight pipe exhaust all the way from the turbo. Full catless downpipe and a straight pipe. This car just came from a track day. He has mounted pillow balls in the front, -3 camber, as you can see. This is next level stuff. The car still has this tow hook on, so you know it's serious business. If you enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe, hit the like button down below. I'm shooting a video for you guys literally in the rain, so I don't see why you wouldn't subscribe. Let's go watch the rest of the video. Okay, first impressions of this is not too bad.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. I mean, it is very hard, but livable. Oh, Kimi is going quite fast, huh? We have a lot of carbon on this car. There's like no compromise with the carbon. We have the carbon front lip, we have the carbon side skirts, carbon diffuser, carbon rear spoiler. We have the LCI headlight and tail lights. This car is not LCI. I think they started the LCIs in 2016, but this car is a 2015. Overall, he told me that he spent around 50,000 ringgit or 12,000 USD on this car. Let me know if you think it's worth it. I definitely think that from what you're getting out of this package, I think it's a good deal with everything that's been done in modifying. The car feels like a totally different car. It's not even close to a stock 3 Series. What would you say is the biggest difference between these two cars?
I think probably it's the torque.
I agree. I love this part here.
Carbon fiber.
Okay, so what's my conclusion on these cars? Should you get the 320d or should you get the 328i? in my opinion, in what I've experienced with these cars, you can get a lot more horsepower out of the 328i. When you tune it and everything, it's going to be faster in a straight line if you tune it. In terms of torque, the 520d is gonna win every time. In terms of modifications, a lot of the modifications you can do to the 3 Series, but in terms of engine, if you guys wanted to know what mods you can do to your 320d or 520d, your N47 engine, I hope I've helped you guys with that as well. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one you would choose, and I'll see you in the next one. Can't even fit one finger inside. So that's how you know you met a proper car guy and guy who knows his stuff.